Come here, Chance. Chance, come here.
We made it.
Good morning, guys. That's a good question. No one said anything about this.
We have no idea where we are. They don't have this mapped out very well, do they? I thought we got our name. Ooh. At least we have a nice ambiance. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lens flare. So, the clouds are really starting to roll in now. That doesn't look exciting. It's just really dark. Yo, where you coming off way?
That's one thing I hate about these tracks. You can fall off.
12:30. Still no snow.
It's
The wind's
12:30.
blowing quite a bit though. Or it was. Num num num. Sandwiches for lunch because that's all they had here because we didn't want to go outside. It's very lightly starting to come down now. So take this as your before picture. You starting to get covered. It's not hitting in the grass though. There's a little bit of snow so far. You guys want to see something crazy? It's like daylight out here, but it's nighttime. I can literally see everything. Yours is so bright. Hey, Chance. Why can't it be like this all the time at night? It's starting to snow pretty good now. I just shoveled the sidewalks, and they already got another 1/4 inch of snow on them. Alright, just shoveled the path so you guys can see how much snow there is. The wind's on that side. We got about 4 inches of snow in 2 hours.